Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my Zephyrs Mortgage in Motion, where I talk about all things mortgage, some tips, tricks, and some just dropping knowledge. Today I want to talk about mortgage insurance. Got a few different things I want to cover. I might do a couple different videos on this just because it is kind of an expansive kind of concept. So mortgage insurance is basically a premium on your loan based on the risk factors involved. Most of the time that risk factor is going to be percentage of equity in the property. And those loans that do not have any equity in the home usually have mortgage insurance. VA loans do not have mortgage insurance, so there's that. But there are plenty of other products that they do have some version of mortgage insurance premium, sometimes just a one lump sum, sometimes it's added on as a monthly fee. And it basically helps the banks cover their butts, that if you were to default, that they have some insurance on the property while they wait to sell it and they hold the property. It's kind of the big background of it anyway. So when you go to purchase a home, if you put 20% down, you don't have mortgage insurance. If you have less than 20% down, you'll have some version of it. So when you have 20% equity, you don't really fall into this bucket. So let's talk about all those that don't. Purchase the home. Let's say you put 10% down. You have a little bit of mortgage insurance. You have a monthly premium that you're going to pay. And when you close on the home, the closing disclosure is going to show you kind of a breakdown of how long it's going to be that you're going to have to owe mortgage insurance. So basically what they'll do is they'll put it through how many payments you have and how much the mortgage insurance cost is until you get to that 20% equity. Now, once you get to 20% equity, you can call your servicer and you can say, hey, I'm at 20%. This is based on the value of the home at the time that you did the loan, either at the purchase or the refinance. So an appraisal is done, that value is on file, and you're going to have to use that value. If you call in at that 20% mark, they'll do some equations, make sure that all things are taken care of. You did your part making monthly payments, and there's a couple other factors that come into play. And if so, they'll remove the mortgage insurance. Fannie Freddie kind of loans, once you get to 22% equity, it automatically comes off through the servicing based on the current value on the appraisal that you had when you did it, the original go round. There are some factors that you need to be aware of. If you want to call in and let's say you think that your home is worth way more than when you bought it for, you can ask for a new appraisal. The servicing might actually require a new appraisal just to make sure there's enough equity in the home that you can actually be rid of the mortgage insurance. So calling servicing and just saying, hey, where am I at? What's the process? How long am I supposed to pay this? At what point does it automatically come off? You can kind of gauge how long it's going to be that you're going to need this mortgage insurance. So it's not fun to just pay extra stuff for insurance, right? So you want to do it as quickly as possible. You can pay down your mortgage faster. Your value increases for whatever reason. Maybe you added something on and you haven't had a new appraisal. You want to get one done. You don't always have to refinance to make all that happen. So sometimes you can call into your servicing team and get rid of that mortgage insurance in advance, or if it hasn't come off and you think it's time to come off, call the servicing team. So those are some quick tips and tricks on mortgage insurance. There's a lot involved with mortgage insurance, so definitely ask all the questions. This is Zephyrs Mortgage in Motion. Today I'm actually out with my little newest buddy, Duster, doing a nice neighborhood walk this morning. We're doing about 3 miles. So Zephyrs Mortgage in Motion. Usually it's my outdoor walks. Get some sunshine, refresh myself, and so forth. But please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know if you have questions. And this is Zephyrs Mortgage in Motion, and I'm out.